Hello everybody, Photoman here, and for this video it is a revisit. So I am back at Botrel, the small community. After 134 years of continuous operation, a contract dispute with Rocky View County has left the Bottrel General Store and Campground a day use area only. The campground predates the general store by more than a decade, as it was established back in 1889. The store, Alberta's oldest of its kind, opened its doors in 1901. The store offers fuel, liquor, souvenirs, baked goods, but key to the remote business's success is the year-round campground. Thanks again for tuning into my channel and supporting my channel by liking and subscribing and leaving me some comments. And if you know of other places that have historical significance in and around Calgary, let me know and leave a comment. Let me know, and I will make sure I get there and do a video of it. Thanks again.